Hello. Today, one of my friends, Siddharth, sent me the profile of his crush, and he wants some information about her. So, today I'm going to gather some information about her using Python. Let's begin. This is a Python code used to get the information about my private account. I learned it. Okay, here you have to put username. This is the username. After that, enter. Here, code required, login, username, login requirements. But we can even get some information about her. The information is stored in this folder. This is the profile picture of her, and also get some of the information like buy information, country, phone number, etc. All the informations are here. You can extract using, there are lots of library which can extract all the information. This is the account ID. Okay, thank you.